All right, everyone, welcome. This is the 2nd of May. I'm just looking at gold here. Was looking to see if we can break the high, but we're gonna stick to London session. So looking at the daily time frame, daily candle. Yesterday we moved up. Now this candle is coming into some sort of a consolidation area here on the daily. Looking on the 4 hour. 4 hour. Now at this point, we have to identify what's the trend, right? So one, you have the overall trend, the weekly, daily, whatever. Let's take a look on the weekly. Weekly trend is overall bullish, having some retracement. Daily trend is one way you can say, okay, we're bullish, but in this case, we can say we're just ranging. So daily, we're just ranging. Looking at the 4 hour, now when you drop down to the 4 hour, 1 hour, and 30 minutes, so when you drop down to the time frames where you should be executing a trade, there's one thing called a time frame trend with the session trend, right? So right now we're moving into pre-London. Now, yesterday we came down. So this is session trend. What's the session trend? The session trend, in my eyes here, is bullish so far. And it seems to me we're just rejecting to maybe create support to move back up. Someone can argue, oh, we can move back down here again. That's a big move waiting to happen. And if you look on the calendar today, there's going to be no big moves happening. I mean, we could, but there's no news to say there's going to be big news happening. There's news tomorrow. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, right? So the session trend was bullish. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, yep, candles are moving from the bottom left-hand side to the top right-hand side. This means this is bullish. So now we got to identify our zones. Also at the same time, there's no such thing as, oh, we're bullish, we're bearish. It just depends on what you see in the moment, right? So right now, what I see is that we have a resistance at 23.24 and we have a support down here at 23.19, and there's a very high possibility we can continue pushing up in this 42 pip range. Looking at the 30-minute time frame, we have support formed and we have clean candles here to the left hand side. This 30-minute candle has broken above the high of the previous candle. Looking at the 15-minute time frame, the new 15-minute candle has just formed, which is good. And if this seems like we can continue to push up, I think this is going to be a very good idea for price to continue to push up because the 30-minute candle is also closing. Yeah, I'd wait for the 30-minute candle to close. Yeah, I'd wait for the 30-minute candle to close. And if we close bullish, pre-London, boom up. If we break below the support, then we can go down because we got clean range to the left hand side. How simple is that? Right? It's just gonna wait here for the 30-minute. Don't want to do any impulse entries here so far. Okay, let's take a look at pound yen here. Looking at pound yen daily, we basically dropped yesterday and now we're retracing. The trend, I don't know, we're just coming back up now. Looking at the 4 hour time frame, wow, daily, wow, we really dropped here on pound yen. Insane scenarios. Look at this on the 1 hour time frame now. Now we are just consolidating here. Man, oh man, wow, look at that. We're consolidating here. We got a resistance up there. We got support down at this point. We got support at down at this point. Let's take a look on 30-minute time frame. See, in this case, we don't even have to look at the daily or the weekly because we're just consolidating on a 30-minute time frame, And if we're consolidating on 30-minute time frame, if we break above, let's say 195, 700, 720, whatever, you got clean range up. Look, 80 pips and beyond. Over here as well, we got clean range going 67 pips down towards so looking on the 15-minute time frame for bearish, we got till 194 800 could be a good target, 49 50 pips away. So let's see, I'm going to be waiting for the 30-minute candle to close on gold to see if this could be a potential buy for price to go up or break support to go down, whichever comes first. But pound yen also as well, now in the 15-minute we can see this is the resistance there. Gonna have to wait. We're just in this 41 pip range, gold as well, you know. So the thing about this range is on pound yen, like some guys may say, oh, this is a 41 pip range, but still we can take a trade. No, because I mean, if we break above 195, 500, you got like a 15 pip range, so you can't So let's see what happens. There's going to be no live stream today. I repeat, no live stream today. We're going to see you guys on Friday, tomorrow, for NFP stream. Be safe today.